Hello there, this is Software Sensei, and welcome back to a brand new video where in this JS tutorial I'll be demonstrating you on how to add variables and how to define them in JavaScript. So enough talk, let's get it. Okay, cool. So what is variables in JavaScript? So variables are in JavaScript is a name where data and value attributes are stored. And for variables, for example, you have x. So in x is a variable, and also y is a variable, and lots of characters that we can use to store data. So for example, let's put x equals 100. X equals to 100 is a variable here. And so to define the variables, we use let, const, and var. So mainly in this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use let. But const and var also can be used, but mainly let is more popular choice to use. So let's put let y and equals, which is an assignment. Let's say let x equals to 100. So this is an assignment and declaration to define the variable. So if I put let let's say x equals to 20, then it will show a error displaying that is already been displayed, already been defined for the variable. So let's make it unique. So let's y equals 20, then it's more unique. We talked about const variables, so console.log would insert it to y and it will display as should be 20. There we go. Now it's been displayed as 100. We can display more variables. So let's say let y, let z equals to hello world, and then we put console log z, and it should display hello world as a string. So we define this one as a string as well, because in the const variable you can define this one as a string, not just a value, but also you can define as a string required. So all the data, all the value must be stored. Remember, as for a variable, so string can be used and a value as well can be used in the variable here. Okay, so let's create the variable sentence using console log. So let's put let age equals to 18. So always put a semicolon, or let's say like 19. So let age equals 19 semicolon, because always when I'm defining a variable or any value, I always add a semicolon in JavaScript. So always be aware. So console.log, this time we use a backtick to define the sentence. And let's put dollar sign years old in a semicolon. There we go. So let age is 19, and we put as a console log I am age is 19 and in years old. There we go. Let's put price this time. So let's put price equals to £10.99. So let's use as a string this time, because we use a backtick when you write in sentences, but when you write variables, we at this time I use speech marks like these. So console.log, and this time let's use backtick. This costs and dollar sign and brackets and then price. This time it will display as this costs £10.99. Let's use a pound sign. So let's put this costs £10.99, and which is pretty cool, right? So maybe this is how you define the variable by using a let's constant and equal, and you define this one as either a string or a value. And earlier on we talked about console.log and how we can print out. It's a bit like printing out variables in JS. Think of Python, you print out Python, but this time in JavaScript you use console.log to print out the value in the console. Okay, cool. So let's introduce to a new variable which is type of. So on the type of we put console.log with sets of parentheses, and this time use type of um, price. Let's use price. And this here right here is string. Cool. So let's define more. Console.log type of, let's put age, and as you can see here is a number. So the price I added as a string, and the console.log, the third bit here is a number. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's use let name equals to, let my name equals to John, and then let my, because I put let twice this time, so I can't define this. And let's use let my name is, and console.log my last name is Doe. My name is $, my name. Okay, cool. So as you can see here, it displays as my name is John. Let's put console.log and find out the type. So I put type of my name. This one will come out as a string here. So this is a string, because as you can see here, because with the quote, so all of these are strings, of course, here. Because the variable can be any type, like I said earlier. So it could be a string, it could be a value, it could be a number, or any value that can store data. Finally, I will be demonstrating you on Boolean variable. So the Boolean variable is a value that can be used for true and false in
Here,
JavaScript.
let's use let my name equals true. So let's put console.log and let's define my name is John and use $, my name. There we go. So it displays as my name is John and it's true. Let's put console.log type of, we're going to check the variable here to see if it's a variable or not. Yes, and it is a Boolean variable here as true, because Boolean variable means true and false. Let my age equals to false. Then console.log, let's put a random sentence, say the minimum age to drive the car is 15, and let's put as a variable here. So where do I, okay, so you click on the $, and brackets my age. Okay, so it says the minimum age to drive the car is 15, and this is false here. So to prove that it's right, let's put a true variable. Let's edit 18 and let's keep it here. So it says the minimum age to drive the car is 18, true. So that's the minimum age. And this is how you define the Boolean variable using the console log.
I'm going to wrap up this video today. This is my introduction to variables and all other categories in JS. We'll be looking more through to JS in the upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. This is your boy Software Sensei. I'm out. Peace.